Good morning, beta. Today we are going to discuss the Bond story in The Merchant of Venice. Uh, I think you must have revised the story of Merchant of Venice and would be knowing that the Bond story is the most crucial part of the Merchant of Venice. Bassanio, Antonio's friend, needs money to go to Belmont to try his luck at the caskets. He does not have the money because he has been spending too much beyond his means. For money, he comes to his dearest friend Antonio. He tells Antonio that he wants a loan of 3,000 ducats and he is sure that he will win over Portia and get married to her, and she has a lot of money with her. Uh, Antonio says, "Okay, I will do it for you." He goes to Shylock, the Jewish moneylender, and asks for a loan of 3,000 ducats for 3 months. Now, Shylock is one person who hates Antonio, and when Antonio comes for a loan to him, he takes it as an opportunity that he will make the Christian suffer for this. He asks him to pay full interest and penalty, and but Shylock makes a cunning and kind offer. He is ready to lend money without interest, but Antonio should sign a merry bond uh, in sport. He says in case Antonio fails to pay back the money in time, Shylock will have the right to cut a pound of flesh from near the heart of Antonio. Shylock does not seem to be serious about the penalty. He argues that a pound of flesh is of no value at all, and Antonio is unable to see the cunning trick of Shylock. Bassanio tells him that no, there is something wrong, but Antonio says no problem because his ships will return in time, and he signs the bond. Now, Antonio has fallen into Shylock's trap. He, in merriment, you can say, he signs the bond. His ships are lost on the sea, and he is unable to pay back the money in time. The bond gets forfeited. Now Shylock wants the penalty. Antonio is arrested and tried in the court. Shylock wants to take revenge from him and wants the pound of flesh, and turns deaf ear on all appeals for mercy. The law says that when Antonio signed the bond, he will have to pay the penalty, and Antonio gets ready for his death. Portia comes to the court and turns the table on Shylock and saves the life of Antonio. Shylock can cut a pound of flesh, but he must not shed a drop of blood, and in this way Shylock is caught in his own trap. The bond story forms the backbone of the play. The signing of the bond gives the starting push to the main plot. It paves the way to the great trial scene. and throws a flood of light on the characters of Antonio, Bassanio, Shylock, and Portia. Antonio is ready to die for his friend. Bassanio can sacrifice his life and wife to save the life of his friend. Portia appears in the court and saves the life of Antonio. The bond is the source and spring of all action in the play, and it also brings out the villainy of Shylock. It is because of this bond that some light is thrown on the laws and system of justice in Venice. People from outside who were living in Venice, they had certain privileges. The Duke cannot deny the course of justice. He cannot twist the Venetian law in somebody's favor. Anybody who plots against somebody's life is punished. His property is confiscated and his life is at the mercy of the Duke. The Duke cannot refuse to grant a pound of flesh because Antonio has signed the bond. The law allows it and the court grants it. Thus, it is through the bond that we get a peep into the laws of Venice. I hope you have understood what the bond story is all about. Tomorrow, we will discuss the casket part of the story of the Merchant of Venice. Thank you.